Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to another Maybe's video.
Yes.
Ano, never change. Kasi, from the time I've known you since you were 8 years old, hindi ka nagbago. So kaya, stay the same person you've always been. A kind, syempre beautiful, and caring person you are. At saka, kung hindi man maging tayo, ninong ako. Wait. Teka muna. Mga Dapper Cats. Wait lang, ate. Mga Dapper Cats.
Wait a moment. Ala, naluluha talaga ako, guys. I'm kind of upset kasi this is probably the fourth time, maybe, pang-apat na to. This is probably the fourth time that I've made a reaction video to these two. Pero, naluluha talaga ako. I don't know, maybe happiness? Yung, alam nyo kasi guys, pag hindi pilit, parang if the chemistry between the two people is natural, it's effortless, ito talaga eh. Alam nyo guys, yung ibang mga love teams, parang pinipilit nilang gumawa ng mga scenes, eksena, para lang makilig yung mga fans. But the two of them, iba eh. It's really different.
If we don't end up together, kailangan akong ninong sa kasal niya.
Bakit napunta
Nakita mo ba,
doon?
Bims? May mga dapat kasi gumugulong sa kilig.
Thank you, Bim. So, sandali lang po.
Ay, wait. I have one special gift lang for you.
Ano yun,
Baka
Bim?
naman luluhod ka pa, ha?
Sige.
Pikit ka daw, Raisa.
Pikit ka,
Close your
Raisa.
eyes. Turn around.
Wow!
Oh my God!
Talaga ito! Ako ito!
At may
Ay, ano ba
sulong
yan?
siya.
Ay,
Mega.
grabe! Raisa!
Yes!
Mami, ready ka
Wala
na
pa.
Raisa?
Wala naman tinatanong.
Wala pa po ba?
Wala naman tinatanong.
Sorry, Bossing. Wala pa. Yes, I do.
I do.
Yes, I do.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
Visit yung music background.
Nakapagit.
Oo.
Wow. You know what guys, si Ma'am Alan Kay talaga, isa siya talaga sa mga very very supportive member ng Dapper Cats or ng Eat Bulaga na even Aldab era pa, siya talaga yung push na push talaga, no? And now parang nakikita ko ulit yung Ma'am Alan Kay na minahal ko talaga nung Aldab era. Yung reaction talaga ng mga tao.
May leeg na ako, Bim.
Wait lang, book mo. Wait.
Ang cute doon. May
Sana
leeg na ako.
all.
Dati ba wala?
Wala po eh.
Sana all.
And here
Thank you.
we...
Pakitalian na po
Yun.
yung buhok ko.
Okay, open
Okay.
eyes.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you, Bim. Thank you. Thank you.
Ako wala akong ano, wala akong
Thank you,
pride.
Bim. Thank
Ba't ganyan lang? Dapat ano?
Ay,
Bossing, Bossing,
Sir, Raisa,
Peso lang naman eh.
natuto ko yan
wait.
kay Bossing eh.
Excuse me guys, excuse me. Naluluha talaga ako. I came across a post on Facebook just before filming this reaction video, and somebody took a screenshot of the photo of the same exact necklace na ito with its price at pinost sa Facebook. Are you kidding me? Nasa 118,000 pesos ito. Yung kwintas na ito. Are you kidding me? Aquino, Kuwangko Aquino yan. Hindi yan basta-basta, guys. Hindi yan basta-basta. Hindi yan nagbibigay lang ng gift na basta-basta. Even bossing, oh, kilig na kilig, oh.
Bim, thank
Ba't ganyan lang? Dapat ano?
Bossing, oh. Bossing,
Dahil
oh.
na, Raisa,
Peso lang naman eh.
natuto ko yan kay bossing eh. Sana po sa akin eh.
Part of
Sabi
social
niya,
graces.
sabi niya
Peso,
kailangan
peso.
may kapalit, di ba?
Ay,
Pag
kapalit.
ganon.
Oh,
Ano? Ay, 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 ay,
Ang parents
ay,
ko
ay.
eh. Strict ang strict
Mami.
ang Marisa.
tita, ma'am, di ba
Ay.
approve ako? Di ba approve?
I left the door half open, so for sure naririnig ako ng mga pamangkin ko. Normally, I close all the door, all the door. Ilan ba yung door namin dito? Isa lang naman. Normally, I close the door and then I close the window. Kaso ngayon, sobrang init. Kaya I just left the door half open and then the window also. Nahiya ako honestly kasi baka makita ako ng mga pamangkin ko. Sasabihin na naman nila, Daddy, bakit ka tawa ng tawa? Although they are very much aware of the fact that I make reaction videos every single day, as much as I can. At alam nila na maingay talaga ako gumawa ng reaction videos, especially when I love the videos I make a reaction video to. And they completely understand that. But normally, they hear me speak in English. Hindi ako nagtatagalog. And they know that. So, baka pagbaba ko later, tatanungin ako nila, Daddy, bakit ka nagtatagalog kanina? At bakit akong tawa ka? Parang kinikilig ka, nahiya ako. Kasi nga, I'm 45 years old and turning 46 years old this coming September. Malapit na. So parang, I don't normally show this side of me to people in general. Kasi, sa personal, ako, medyo may pagkaseryoso, ganyan. So, most of the time, I keep a poker face, parang hindi makikita ng mga tao yung real feelings ko ba. Pero itong dalawang to, parang, they are just, yung paano ko ba explain? Ang hirap sa Tagalog. But anyway.
May kapalit, di ba?
Oo, pag ganon.
Oh, tita na lang.
Ang parents ko eh. Strict
Okay
ang
lang.
strict
Mami.
ang Marisa.
Mami na
Tita,
talaga
ma'am,
tawag.
Di ba approve ako?
Yes.
Di ba approve?
Teka lang, babe. Tanungin muna natin si Tita Chris kung meron
Ay,
siya.
she's watching
Dami pa.
now actually.
Yes. Hi, Tita Chris.
Ma'am, ikaw na bahala.
Sige po.
Oh,
Ayun na lang.
Ano na gano'n na lang yon? Opo. Beso lang, babe. Baka gumanong ka na naman.
Okay, ito, mga Dabber Cats, promise, I won't make gaya Raisa.
Wow.
Ginawa niya when we were kids.
Okay. Kailangan ba natin ng apple box?
Yun na. Thank you lang.
Thank you,
Ako.
babe. Salamat sa gift. Super nice seeing you
Si Bossing, sagot ng sagot. Thank you lang. Baka,
again.
Very nice seeing you again.
Angkat mo kasi eh.
O sige, ganito na lang. Oh.
Kailangan ba ng bangko?
There.
Bangko mo
paluhod.
Uy!
Wala pa.
Beso lang. Beso lang.
Okay, bend. Oh.
Wow.
Thank you. Mga Dabber Cats.
Kulang mga Dabber Cats. Kulang.
Mga Dabber Cats. Bembi Aquino.
Thank you po.
Yay!
Saya naman ang birthday mo, Raisa.
Uy, i-recreate nyo naman yung picture na to.
Ah, sige.
Oh, yun.
Ay.
Smile,
Ako,
picture.
paano?
Paano to ate?
Wait lang, Bim, ba?
Ah, sige. Paano ba?
Lagyan niya ba?
Cute nila dalawa dito.
Smile.
Ah.
Cute. Yay. Thank you, Bim. Thank you, Bim. Dabber Cats. Bim.
Alright guys, what do you think of this video? Let me know in the comment section below. How did you guys feel when you first watched this video? I believe ito yung first meeting nila sa Itbulaga. Ito yung part na, I think if I'm not mistaken, right after Bimbi sang maybe this time, which I made a reaction video to yesterday. So guys, mag-comment kayo. Just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.
どこに行こう